In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Lovable AI Live Preview. If you're using Lovable AI and experiencing issues with your live preview, you've come to the right place because we're going to walk through some steps to help get things back on track. First things first, let's talk about your internet connection. It's a key element in ensuring your live preview functions smoothly. You want to make sure your internet connection is stable and reliable. Lovable's live preview relies heavily on an active and consistent internet connection to immediately reflect any changes you make. If you notice the live preview freezing frequently, try reloading your browser or switching to a different Wi-Fi network. This can sometimes be all it takes to resolve those pesky connection issues that may be hindering your experience. Now let's move on to refreshing the editor. If your internet connection seems fine but you're still having trouble, it's time to refresh. Simply click the refresh button in your browser. You know the one. It looks like an arrow curving into a circle. This simple action can be a powerful tool to reset the connection your editor has with Lovable AI, breathing new life into your session. Next, consider clearing your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores data which can sometimes conflict with new updates or changes. To tackle this, head into your browser settings, navigate over to privacy options, and select clear browsing data. It's a bit of tidying up behind the scenes that can help ensure your browser is communicating effectively with Lovable AI. Using a supported browser is also crucial. Lovable AI works best with the latest versions of browsers like Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. If you're using an unsupported or outdated browser, this could very well be the root of your problem. Updating to one of these recommended browsers could imprint stability back into your workflow. Another step to consider is restarting your project session. Sometimes closing out and starting fresh can help recalibrate everything, especially if there have been recent system updates or changes on Lovable's end. Give it a try and see if it clears the way for smoother navigation. Lastly, if none of these steps seem to resolve the issue, don't hesitate to reach out to Lovable support. They have a dedicated team ready to help troubleshoot any lingering issues you may be encountering. Sometimes a bit of expert advice is needed to untangle persistent problems. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing those live preview woes. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.